So here's my question to you. Are you using video in business? Here's why I ask. Video is an absolute powerhouse for your business right now. If you're not leveraging video, you're leaving a lot of money and a lot of engagement on the table. Whether you're looking to build your brand awareness or to educate your audience or drive conversions, video's got you covered. There are so many killer ways that you can use video in your business right now. So let me go through my list, shall we? And I'm sure I'm missing a whole lot of them. But why don't you follow up with this and tell me what I'm missing and what you use? We'll keep the conversation going here. How's that? But here are some of the ways that I use or that I suggest that you use video. Brand storytelling. Tell that story. Demos, tutorials, customer testimonials. Those are fantastic. Behind the scenes content or live streams. I use live streams for most of these actually, but live streams, educational content or webinars. Those are great. Social media snippets. Those are shorter videos, but shorter little blurbs. Email campaigns. Yes, you can use video in your email campaigns. Video ads. We all know that video ads have better conversions than still image or text ads. Company announcements or updates. Again, I use company updates and announcements heavily through live streaming. FAQs or customer support. Why not, since you probably have a website and you have an FAQ page, and if you don't, you should. If you've got one, why not put those FAQ responses in video format? Sometimes it's easier and people connect better through video. Plus, you can use those as social media snippets as well. Another one would be celebrating milestones or wins. You need to celebrate your wins. Why not put it out on video for you? And use social media for those announcements. Now, here's the deal. Videos are no longer optional. It's a must. The way that technology is going, the way that our we have short attention spans. See? We have short attention spans. It's about building a connection. It's about educating and entertaining, ultimately driving action, right? Yes. So if you're not using video yet, what is holding you back? Is it the tech? Is it content ideas? Or you're just not getting started? What's holding you back? So that's my question for you. How are you currently using video in your business? And what's one area that you think that you could improve on or expand on? Let me know.